Hello, happy birthday. I wish you like this one, so listen up, okay? Dang, gosh, whatever. Aha! This is for my best friend, duh. For my dog, my little queen, my everything. So listen up, happy birthday. Makinig ka na maigi, pagkat para sa ito, Tagalog or English. Kahit pub, sana magustuhan mo. But I don't really care. So listen up, okay? Para sa best friend ko, lahat ay gagawin. Cause she is my best friend, she is my little queen. She is everything to me, she is my partner in crime. And I'll be there for her every time na kailangan niya ng tulong, tawagin lang ako. Kapag ikay umiiyak sa telepono, pagkat alam mo naman, hindi kita matiis. Cause my best friend, she is the only one I miss. And I know you know that, cause I tell you every day. At kahit minsan na masyadong OA, but you know it's okay, because you know it's true. And thank God I have a best friend like you. And kahit minsan ako'y iniinis mo, okay lang yan, yan ay mamimiss ko. At sana nagustuhan mo ang aking kanta. Happy birthday sa'yo, sana napatawa kita. Happy birthday. Kahit walang chorus, sana nagustuhan mo. I will continue this one, I promise. Bye. Peace.